Hello all, welcome to part 31 of Extent Reports training series. In this session, I am going to explain and practically show you how to use the different shortcuts with Extent Reports. So let's get started. So there are various shortcuts which we can use with the generated Extent Reports. Instead of performing a lot of actions on the extent reports to move between the tabs or to filter the results or whatever it may be, we can instead use some shortcuts which are going to save our time. Okay, what are those shortcuts? Okay, here is a list of shortcuts. Here is a list of the shortcuts that we can use on the extent reports, guys. So first, what I will do is I'll run this sample, okay, sample extent report code, okay, which we are using from the last few sessions. Let me run this. Right click run as a Java application. There are 7 tests here, and the report will be generated with these 7 tests. Few tests will be passing, few tests will be failing, few tests will be skipping, and all those stuff. Now, if I have to manually filter this test results, okay, in the test tab, if I have to manually filter this test results, okay, I have to do a lot of actions. Like I have to click on this symbol and then select pass option. Pass will come. Again, select this and fail. Only fail test will come. Again, select skip and skip will come. Then we have to click on this and say clear. 2 actions are required, right? You have to go here and select the option. Okay, that's the thing. Instead of doing that, we have different shortcuts, guys. Okay, if you want to only pass test without selecting this option, if you want to filter this particular test, just type not typing, just press P, guys. Okay, there's a key on the keyboard known as P keyword. Just press P. You see, done. Filtering is done. I didn't select any option. If I press F keyboard key, you see, fail will come. If I press yes, skip will come. If I press W, warning. There are no warning related tests here, so you're not getting any warning. But if you want to clear, if you want to see all the things again, if you want to clear this filtering, then press escape key on your keyboard. You'll get all the things again. Okay. So here you can see for showing only the pass test, we have to press P. For showing only the fail test, we have to press F. For showing only the skip test, we have to press yes. For showing only warning related test, press W. Okay. Now to clear these filters, after filtering, if you want to clear the filters, you have to press escape, guys. Okay. Now, let's say you are in the test tab and you have to navigate between the tests. You are currently in the test 1. The next test is test 2, test 3, test 4, test 5, test 6, test 7. So if you press down arrow key on your keyboard, you see next test results are showing here. Okay. Just press down, 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 down. Okay. Again up, going back to test 1. Okay. This is how we can use up and down arrow keys to navigate between the tests. Okay. Then what else? Up and down arrows are we can use in the report. If you want to change the theme, okay, if you want to change this particular theme, guys, okay, there is shortcut. Okay, if you want to see this theme, want to modify, if this is a default theme, you want to change it to dark theme, just press L, guys. You see immediately it got changed to the dark theme. Again press L, it will again change back to the default theme. Again press L, you see, just switching like this. Okay, now just pressing L will make that happen. Okay, if you want to change the theme from the default theme to dark theme or dark theme to the default theme, you can press L, guys. Now if you want to go to any of these tabs, guys, okay, you see on the left side we have test tab, okay, exception tab and different tabs here. Okay, there are some shortcuts for few of these tabs. For example, I'm currently at the test tab. I want to directly move on to the dashboard. Okay, so I just need to press D, guys. Okay, when I press D, you see you are taken to the dashboard tab, and okay, now you can scroll up and scroll down to see the entire report. Okay, without using your mouse, you can scroll up and scroll down. Again, if you want to go to the test tab, just press T. Okay, when you press T, you will go into the test tab. If you press D, you will go to the dashboard tab. And if you want to see the exceptions, okay, the second tab, exception tab, then press E. Okay, if any exceptions are there, it will be displayed. This is the exception tab, guys. Okay, are we going there properly? So when I press E, again, these details are not coming properly. That's okay. T, again, I'll say E. We are going there, but the thing is, details are not displayed properly. Okay, that's fine. Exception tab. Then what else are there here? C for category, guys. Okay, we have C for category. If you press C, you'll go to the category. Okay, if you say E, you will go to the exception. So we are still in the category, right? We are not going to the exception actually. So sorry, that is X, guys. Sorry, I was thinking that is E, but it is X. Okay, that's why it's not working. So just press X, guys. You will go to the exception tab. Just press T, you'll go to the test tab. Just press D, you'll go to the dashboard tab. Just press C if you want to go to the category tab. Okay. Like this, there are some shortcuts, guys. Okay. So to filter the test, to scroll up and down, and then to directly move to the tabs like T, D. Okay. Category tab, for exception tab X. Okay. Like that, we have different shortcuts here that I have mentioned that will save your time a lot when you're just checking the extent report. Okay. You don't have to do multiple actions to go wherever you want in the report. Just use the shortcuts that I just now mentioned and demonstrated in this session just to save your time, guys. Okay. It will save your time. So that's all for this session, guys. Thank you. Bye.